How to get one-page checkout on Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to click on Online Store, and then this will automatically take us to the themes page. Now from your current theme, we want to click on the three dots and we will choose Edit Code. Now here we have to change some code, so just search for main-cart, and you want to find this main cart items.liquid, and here we want to press anywhere on the line of code and press Ctrl+F, and we want to search for form. So press enter and it's going to give you this. Now action equals so on and so forth. So here we basically just want to replace this. So highlight all of it and paste the code which I will have added as a pinned comment. So checkout force checkout equals redesign. So after you have done this, then what you want to do is click on save and you will be able to preview your store, and that's how you add a one-page checkout to Shopify. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.